So this is a 128 GB variant, and the best thing about this phone is that it is assembled in India. So now let's unbox. So as you can see, we have to tear up these flaps first, and now the moment that we are waiting for, the iPhone 15 blue color. And let's talk about the inbox content. So this time Apple has changed the traditional lightning cable to this type C cable, and the best thing about this cable is it is totally braided and it is color matched to your phone as well. And apart from this, you get some sticker, a SIM ejector tool, and some paper documentation. That's all. Thank you.